Hi, it's Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Knee and Shoulder, and I am here with Nicole, and Nicole was kind enough to come on and just explain the reasons why she came into our clinic and also the results that she's noticed, because I believe you came in from neuropathy. It's been a few weeks, about a month or so since you've been back.
I think I started in November.
Yeah, so it's been a few months. So Nicole came in, she was having symptoms of neuropathy, so you can explain that a little bit.
Yes.
And then also you were having some digestive
Yes.
stuff going on. So you not only saw results with the neuropathy, we're still working on the shoulder, but you notice improvements in the neuropathy, and you also started the Trust Your Gut program, and you have noticed some nice changes there. So could you kind of explain what you were
Absolutely.
suffering with before you came in, and then the changes you noticed over 4
I
months?
had tremendous neuropathy pains in my fingers, my toes. I had it leading from my elbow down to my wrist, and stiffness, some joint pain. I did have constipation, and I am happy to say that I started Trust Your Gut in January, right after the holidays. I weighed myself beforehand, and I just finished yesterday. I lost 12 pounds. I know. And my neuropathy. I no longer have that. I don't have any pins and needles in my hands or my feet, and I go to the bathroom regularly. That is a huge. That makes a big difference. So.
It's not an emergency anymore.
Yeah.
No, you definitely notice that.
Yes, we have a lot of potty talk here, and
Yes.
it's totally normal to talk about our bowel movements because it's so important. You know, that's the human sewer. So if if the sewer gets backed up, bad things happen.
This is true. It doesn't make for a happy
No,
person
no.
either.
So
But, the Trust Your Gut was. I had a lot of expectations. The shakes taste delicious.
yeah,
Surprisingly,
yes.
you know,
Yeah,
and
they're
now
not bad.
I will continue doing what was like the fruit in the morning with the coconut water.
Right.
It works out really, really well, and it keeps you surprisingly satisfied until into the afternoon. So I like
Yes.
that. That's something that I'm going to keep doing
Yeah.
for myself.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think what else. Good sleep, better sleep.
Mm-hmm.
What else? I'm trying to think of all the positive things. I don't know.
The fruit is high energy.
Yeah, I never
So
thought.
you have to eat a lot of it, but it's we're in a cleansing. That's why they call it breakfast. It's break fast. You've been fasting for 6 to 8 hours, so you don't want to put something hard into your body to digest. And fruit has high energy.
And I
So
find
start.
that the coconut water is like hydrating. I don't know. I like it, so that's definitely
Yeah.
something that I'm going to continue to do. And the exercises, the little
Wobble
cushion.
seat, yeah, just simple stuff like that,
I
getting
like
your
that.
spine limber.
Yeah.
So,
And look at your hair.
Oh, my
It's
hair.
beautiful.
So
yeah, your hair does look good.
It does. It really
Thank
looks
you.
good.
Thank you.
Well, that's
very
connective
much.
tissue, right? Your largest organ is on the outside, so your skin. This is all connective tissue, your hair and nails. So when you clean up the internal environment, it manifests on the outside. So,
It absolutely
yeah.
does. Thank you, Dr.
if anything, do it
Davis.
for vanity.
What would you
There's
tell
nothing
other
wrong.
people who are suffering?
Oh, do it. Make that appointment and come
Yeah.
in and see them. They'll take good care of you.
Yeah. Would you say it was fairly easy? The Trust Your Gut.
It was the hardest part, I have to say, for the coffee people, just
Oh,
the
yeah, the
coffee.
coffee, yeah.
That's really that's the only thing. Everything else is totally doable.
Right. All right.
And
I'm
look at you're
so
glowing. That's
happy.
awesome.
So happy.
Thank you.
That's great. Thanks
Thank you
for
very much.
talking to everybody. Thank you.